Hello and welcome to another episode of Moose's Gear Goo Review. I'm Moose, and today we're testing out, not testing out, I'm going to show you how to use the gotreads. So gotreads are a high strength polymer traction board I got a while ago. By now you could have already seen the video, and I'll leave that in the upper right hand corner. Upper right hand corner for you guys to take a look at. But basically, it's a traction board, a traction device that you use to self recover or recover a vehicle that has gotten stuck either in snow, mud, sand, or dirt, or whatever material potentially you're stuck in. And I just wanted to show you how I have learned to properly use them now after my first time using them, and what I recommend and how you should intend to use them. As well, this information can also be helpful for any sort of traction device or self-recovery, because sometimes you might improvise using kitty litter or sand or mulch or something to give you traction. So these are kind of the steps you use. And also, I'm always open to feedback, so if anyone out there is watching this who's more experienced, has recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. It's always a good opportunity to share knowledge, and hopefully everyone can gain something from this. So we're going to check this out. gotreads, American made, brand, lifetime guarantee, warranty on them. And yeah, they worked the first time, but hopefully the next time I have to use them, they'll work even better. But let's go through the steps and I'll show you how it's done. All right, so the first thing you want to do, first off, I'm not fully stuck here. This is just an example, a way to learn. First thing you want to do is get your treads out, and you always want to put it at on the wheels that are either stuck or the ones that have the most power or traction. So a lot of front wheel drive vehicles, you want to put them at the front. If it's rear wheel drive, you want to put it at the back. If it's four-wheel drive or all-wheel drive, a lot of times there's a split. So put it where the majority of the power goes to. In my case, with my all-wheel drive Subaru, it's a 60-40 split, so 60% of the power is in the front, so we're going with the front. You want to unfold the traction board, and you want to make sure that the right side is up. In this case, a lot of the different traction boards, it's pretty evident which side is up. If you're unsure with the gotreads, they have a smooth plated surface here. It says gotreads. Yeah, you're going to put this side down. This allows it to slide under easier. And you're going to put that right in front. Okay? The other thing you want to do then is try to wedge it in. The best way I found is to actually step on it and kick it. Kick it and wedge it right underneath. Try to keep it as straight as possible. But too, with the way that gotreads are designed, it'll pull the tread in line with the tire once it gets contact on there. So now you're going to want to do it on both sides. That's why a lot of traction boards and these boards in particular come in sets of two. So you put one on the left side, one on the right side. You want to wedge them in good and tight, and make sure that your tires are aligned straight. Unless you're in a precarious situation, most of the time you want them aligned straight so that you create an even tread pattern in whatever material you're going in, so that the tires behind will have a way to get through as well. Once you have this in, you want to get in your car, and if you have a low gear, put your car into low gear. It gives your car more torque for pulling itself out, as well as it just helps it move slightly slower. You do not want to spin your wheels on the treads. Any sort of polymer traction board, you don't want to try to spin your wheels on it. It'll damage the traction board and then make the traction board less efficient. So now I'm going to go in the car, start my car, put it in low, and I'm going to slowly drive out. Like I said, don't spin the wheel. Make sure you slowly creep up. If it's not grabbing, you don't want to spin the wheel, so you'll know right away if it's grabbing or not. The other thing is, don't back up. Once you go forward, don't back up beyond it. Get out, take the traction board out, and realign it if you're still stuck. Okay, let's give this a shot. All right, so there you have it. It worked well. Once you're done, pick them up, bang off any snow. Nice thing with these ones is they fold up. They're ready to go. Traction boards, definitely a great piece of kit to have in your car. These gotreads are fantastic because they do fold up and they save space that way. So definitely consider adding these to any sort of emergency kit and just have that extra bit of reassurance knowing that you might be able to get yourself out of sticky situations or slippery situations with the right tools. So thank you guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Hopefully this was helpful to you. Hit that bell notification for any of my new videos, and be safe. Peace, and I'll see you outside. Bye.